Okay everyone, I'm back and I'm going to be parting with a few more journals. Quite hard, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go through these in slightly more detail, but it won't be a long video. I think I've got 6 or 7 here. And they will still go onto the Etsy shop. It's the easiest way for me to do it, particularly if you're buying from the USA. So this first one is Carol Laws, the very lovely Carol, who a lot of you will know. This is an Oriental journal and it was a swap that we did. I love it, but as I explained before, I just simply can't keep everything any longer. So this one, I'm not going to do every page or take everything out, but you can see how beautifully this is made. I love Carol's work. I watch her a lot on YouTube. This is the centre, so she's used an envelope in the centre. Ooh, pretty. Some wraparounds, flip outs. This is a longer flip out. Fabric tip-ins. This is a sort of over the page thingy. I think this is rice paper, or it might be tissue that she's adhered to something. This is fabric. So that's Carol's journal. This is nice as well. This is napkin envelope, and again a little napkin thingy. I don't know what to call them really. So that's Carol Laws. This is a Christmas journal from Wendy, Wendy's Journal Adventure. This is called Festive. It's a hardback with 3 signatures. I didn't measure Carol's. 5 1/4 by 7. Carol's is 6 1/2 by 8 1/2. So this is Wendy. You can see her little card there. Little flip out. Again, I don't want to go through every page, but there's lots of coffee or tea dyed papers in here. Christmas digitals, nice papers. It's an envelope. Oh no, it's not an envelope. It's straw. Is it straw paper? Envelope there. So it is very early for a Christmas journal, I'd grant you that. But I know sometimes people like to get ahead. Not me. Last minute, I'm afraid. See the centre of the signature there. Carol's used actual cards in each signature, which is a nice idea. Envelope on the back. And that's Festive, Wendy's Journal Adventure. I've got another Catherine Sundby journal. I have kept something from Catherine as well. She used my favourite. This is a lovely journal, very much in Kathleen style. Lots of stitched pages. She sort of does this, I don't know, I used to call them Frankenstein pages after Nick the Booksmith, you know, where you patch together various bits and pieces. Kathleen does that extraordinarily well, I would say. I mean, obviously this is more of what do you call it, traveller's notebook size. That's That looks like it flips out, but it doesn't. It's stitched. Lots of flower fairies, lots of stitching, lots of snippets, Kathleen's inimitable style. This is obviously one of her Edith Holden monthly journals. I've got a feeling she's still doing those. Kathleen's another one that I watch a lot on YouTube. So that's Kathleen's Edith Holden journal. I'll just pop that through like that. That's Kathleen's. And then I've got, this is Took, a beautiful binding on this one. I bought this one. And again, there's a little flip out on the front here. It's hardback. Yeah, Took's Craft Table. Lots of, 4 signatures. Lots of inserts in this one. I think the majority of these, I think the page is original. This is eco-dyed paper, but it's printed, you know, a copy. Some of this is original tea dyeing. There's lots of different book pages in this one. And the front and end of each signature is decorated. I think the majority, or probably all of the enclosures in this one are prints, not originals. Lovely little journal this is. Very botanical artwork, say eco-dyeing. This is inside the, that's a flip out. So that's Took's journal, quite small, 4.5 by 7. Nice size, that one. It feels nice in your hands. And then I've got, this is a Gina Wisman Christmas paper bag journal. Bought this from Gina quite a long time ago now. And again, I'm not going to go through it in huge details. She used Stamperia paper, original music paper, tea dyed paper, probably coffee dyed. That was stuck down, that's come off a little bit, so you might need to reattach that. Again, not original book pages, but not original inserts, although there's not that many in here anyway. So that's another little Christmas one, Gina Wisman. The Firefly Studio, couldn't remember. Firefly Studio. Gina doesn't make many journals anymore, more's the pity. Then I've got a little Jibid Ner, I think she called these her herbariums. This I know will probably be sought after. If you don't know Jibid, again, she doesn't make many journals these days, but beautiful, beautiful journal maker. I have got one of her full-size journals, which I will be keeping. Quite tempted to keep this really, but somebody might enjoy it more than me, just sitting in a box at the moment. This one can't go to Australia because it's got actual samples in it. So that's Jibid. And then I've got, now this maker is a UK maker, Allison, I think her name was. I can't remember in detail who this is. I know I found her through Carol Parker, 4.5 by 6.5. And again, this is a beautifully made little journal, full of interest, lots of originality, lots of pretty papers, lots of stitching, tea-dyed, snippets, little bits and pieces, flip outs. Love it. If you do decide to buy one of these, you'll get lots of little surprises when you go through. This is a particularly nice, well, they all are really. They're all in their own way. They're all beautiful. And the amount of work, if you make journals, you'll know, looking at this, you'll know the amount of work that's gone into this. I'm so sorry I can't remember properly who made this. But anyway, it's a little bit fat, so it has creased a little bit. So that's that one. And then the other two that are going in this little collection are two of Carol's. Oh golly, who are these? Now my brain's gone blank. Oh, goodness sake, Jackie. This lady does a lot of original drawings in her journals. Her name's Carol, and I can't remember what she goes under. This is a little Christmas one. Sign, so I can't remember. But yeah, pretty little Christmas. That's eco-dyed, like an original eco-dyed. Is it bramble something? Anyway. Frosted Bramble. Frosted Bramble. Carol from Frosted Bramble. And again, some lovely snippets, tip-ins, original book pages, drawings, little ink drawings she does, little pen and ink drawings. This is her own drawing. So 2 signatures. Again, as I say, this is Frosted Bramble. Now I've sorted that out. More doodling. These little leaves all stuck on. Beautiful, beautiful little journal. So if you'd like one of Carol's Frosted Bramble journals, pop over to my Etsy. Details are underneath, and I'll speak to you all again soon.